Alright guys, Mr. Antonucci here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Desmos graphing calculators. First thing we're going to do is type desmos.com in, and you have their list of their calculators. Here we're going to look at the 4-function calculator first. This is your basic calculator where you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can also do square roots and parentheses and those kind of things. So here's square root 40 of 9, just to give you an illustration. If you click Math Tools up here, you can toggle between other calculators. We're going to look at the scientific calculator, which is very similar to the 4-function calculator, although it does have more capabilities. Here it has the squaring function. Also, if you click this one, you can put in any exponent you want. So just an example, 7 to the 5th. And it automatically gives you the answer. Also, there's a QWERTY keyboard here, and that can be helpful for some things. And then there's a function menu which has additional functions like for trigonometry and statistics. So if we go back here, we can see other more complex capabilities. Here we're just doing a problem in which we have order of operations, including multiplication and parentheses and addition. And nice thing is you can go back in and edit your expression, put a 3 in instead of a 2, and see how that changes the expression. Next we're going to look at the graphing calculator, which is a much more powerful calculator. It has all the capabilities of the previous two, plus graphing capabilities as well as others. So here in the bottom left hand corner I clicked the keyboard menu, which brings up the 4-function calculator and scientific capabilities as well as other things. Put a linear equation in here and you can see it graphed it in blue. Also, if you clicked into the graph, you could zoom in, zoom out, adjust the viewing window, click on the line and everything like that. And here I'm just showing you that you can do different expressions, order of operations. If you click and type in SQRT, you can even click and type it from your keyboard. It brings up the square root function. Also, you can type in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, parentheses, all those kinds of things directly from your keyboard. So here I'm just showing you how to do a more complex expression where you have parentheses with addition and division inside it, and then an exponent with multiplication. Then you can click anywhere in the expression and edit it or add more information to it there. So there's way more capabilities that this calculator has, but just wanted to kind of give you an introduction there. One other thing I want to take a peek at is the test practice. This can be helpful for tests that use Desmos. So if you click test practice resources and go to assessments, it'll bring you to a page that has all their different versions. If we scroll down, I wanted to note the College Board right here, and you can also see the ACT. So College Board is going to do AP exams, SATs. If we click on a specific state, we can get the specific state's graphing calculator that they would use on their state exams. So the example that we'll see here is the graphing calculator that's permitted on Pennsylvania state assessments. So there's pretty robust resources with Desmos. So hope that little introduction was helpful to you, and I'll be making more videos as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to check those out.